In the heart of the celestial expanse, the starfall event is about to begin, and a legend is waiting to be written. Beneath a sky streaked with the ethereal glow of distant nebulae, the desolate surface of a frozen glacier stretches to the horizon. Gigantic shards of ice, remnants of a forgotten age, pierce the thin atmosphere, catching the strange light and casting long, sharp shadows across the landscape. The air is still, heavy with an ancient silence, broken only by the faint hum of advanced technology and the whisper of solar winds. This is Xylos, a world on the edge of the galaxy, where secrets are buried deep beneath the ice and destiny calls to the brave. Commander Eva stands firm on a high ice ridge, a sentinel overlooking the vast, frozen expanse. Her aegis armor, forged from star alloys, glints with a faint, internal light, reflecting the cosmic ballet above. Her grip tightens on the hilt of her plasma saber as her gaze sweeps across the horizon, her expression a mask of unwavering resolve. She is the bulwark, the unyielding shield against the coming storm. Down below, amidst a cluster of glowing cryocrystals, Firefield kneels. With precise, practiced movements, he calibrates a pulsating resonance device. A complex holographic map of the glacier flickers into existence above his gauntlet, its light dancing across his focused features. He is the strategist, the mind that deciphers the patterns of the universe. Suddenly, a flurry of crystalline snow nearby coalesces and shimmers. Frostbite materializes from the blizzard, her chameleon armor shifting from near invisibility to a solid, ghostly white. Her cybernetic eyes, glowing with a cool, blue light, complete their 360-degree scan of the sector. She is the shadow, the unseen blade that strikes from the cold. As the three heroes complete their preparations, a sudden, powerful energy signature pulses in the distance. A wave of shimmering, emerald light washes over the sky, momentarily distorting the stars and casting an otherworldly glow upon the ice. The ground beneath them trembles, and the very air crackles with an unknown power. The source is miles away, but its presence is immense, a silent challenge that echoes across the frozen plains. It is a call to action, an invitation to a confrontation they have long prepared for. Without a word, Eva, Firefield, and Frostbite exchange a single, determined glance. A silent understanding passes between them, a pact forged in countless battles and shared purpose. With synchronized movements, they begin to advance, their figures silhouetted against the pulsating energy. Together, they move as one, marching toward the mysterious power source, ready to face whatever awaits them in the heart of the icy unknown. This July, the Starfall event arrives. Prepare to join the vanguard and forge your own legend among the stars.